Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Microsoft Teams. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Microsoft Teams. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.